The all-new Megatron bursts onto the scene like a thunderbolt of automotive bravado, powered by a staggering 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8 that pumps out a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower and 670 pound-feet of torque. Whisper quiet at idle, but roaring to life as you gently tease the pedal. Its sleek, chiseled exterior conceals advanced all-wheel drive and an adaptive air ride suspension that shifts seamlessly between feather-soft cruising and razor-sharp cornering. Inside, the cockpit exudes sci-fi elegance, with ambient LED lighting that adapts to your mood, quilted leather seats that hug yet always support, and a center console dominated by a glass-like translucent OLED display that floats as if suspended in midair. The HVAC vents, inspired by turbine blades, exhale air like a whispering jet engine, while a 16-speaker immersive audio system crafts cinema-grade soundscapes at every turn. On the open road, the Megatron accelerates to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.8 seconds. Its gear-shifting dual-clutch transmission imperceptibly smooth, and braking done by carbon ceramic discs that bring you to rest with surgical precision. Despite its ferocious power, cruise mode transforms it into a serene cocoon, wrapped in quietude and comfort, defining not just a car but a high-octane lifestyle statement.